Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease vibration intensity in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. When you feel vibration while touching upon or while receiving a call or while receiving notifications, mm, you will feel the intensity of vibration. That means the pressure of the vibration, amount of vibration. If you want to decrease or increase it, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and go to sounds and vibration. Go to sounds and vibration, then go to vibration intensity, and here change the intensity. That is touch interaction vibration intensity can be changed. Okay, see here, this is low intensity, this is default intensity. If you move to the right side, intensity will be increasing. This is high intensity of touch vibration for your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.